Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change the grille on a BMW 5 Series. First, always prioritize safety by ensuring your vehicle is completely off and cool to the touch. Next, gather your essential tools. You will typically need a trim removal tool and a small flathead screwdriver. Finally, open the hood of your BMW 5 Series to gain clear access to the top mounting points of the grille. This preparation ensures a smooth and safe replacement process. Now, let's remove the old grille. Begin by carefully locating the top clips that secure the grille to the bumper. There are usually 4 to 6 clips across the top edge. Use your trim removal tool to gently pry each clip open, releasing its hold. After all top clips are disengaged, firmly but carefully pull the entire grille outwards from the bottom, detaching it from the bumper. With the old grille removed, it is time to install your new one. First, carefully align the new grille with the openings in the bumper. Next, gently push the bottom tabs of the new grille into their corresponding slots. Once the bottom is seated, firmly press the top edge of the grille until you hear all the clips audibly click into place. This ensures a secure and proper fit for your new aesthetic upgrade. Before you finish, perform a few final checks. Double-check that the new grille is securely fastened on all sides, ensuring every clip is engaged. Gently tug on the grille to confirm it does not wobble or feel loose, indicating a perfect installation. Finally, close the hood and step back to admire the refreshed and enhanced front end of your BMW 5 Series. Enjoy your new look.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.